Hi everyone, this is Nibiru Watcher. It is December 3rd, 2016, and what you're going to watch yesterday is a follow-up, something extraordinary, and something cannot be easily explained away as sun flares. But I propose to you all kinds of crazy stuff is happening on our sunsets today, and as the moon even. So let's get right into it. So this is over UC Berkeley. Apparently, I've got some people who are trying to watch this. You're probably going to need the right filters and watch it on time-lapse. Don't just go outside and stare at it and go, oh, I don't see nothing. It takes a trained eye to see what they're masking out here. But if you get your camera and put the right filters on it and put on time-lapse, you might actually see it. That's what I'm doing here. This is the Brooklyn Bridge. This is the, not the Brooklyn Bridge, the Bay Bridge. And this is the San Francisco Bridge, Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, so here we go. And here's the nighttime sky. This was just last night. I'll speed this up. Here comes the sun. And thanks to the chemtrails, it's very difficult to spot this. You would have to have a really keen eye and watch this on time lapse and go back and review the video. Okay, don't expect you to watch it right away. Okay, there's your planet again, right here. Okay, so just as the sun's setting, you can see it again. This is the very next day. So, and then you can see the chemtrailing, and then we're even getting this bizarre lens flare looking thing, but it's not. Remember, it's not the lens flare from this camera. It's more of a focal point from the deep space lens at about the atmosphere of a low orbiting satellite. They have many of these places. They're all on the horizon. But wait, it gets a little stranger than this. You can even look at this weird glare here, okay? Again, I keep also wanting to note that this thing strangely disappears. Okay, so if it's not in the camera, why is this flare hiding behind a cloud and then go into a full circle and then even disappear again? But wait, this is the part I want to show you when the moon sets. Here comes the moon. Wow. That looks like a full moon to me, but it shouldn't be. It should be almost a new moon. And what are these two objects tracking with it? Oh, those are stars. Oh, really? Okay, I'd give you that, but it shouldn't track perfectly with the moon because the moon orbits around the Earth. So that means the star should be a little out of sync. And what do we got here? Looks like a partially eclipsed planet to me. Does moon have a visitor going with it? Yeah, and you can even make out the midnight chemtrails to try and hide this. Look at that. That is just a full moon, but it shouldn't be. Wait, it gets weird. Watch this. Oh, look, kind of back to the way it should be, a partially eclipsed moon. Did you see that? Did you see that? Look at that. What's happening to our moon? The moon should never just go from a full moon to a partially eclipsed moon like it should be. And what are those objects traveling with it? Unbelievable. Look at that full moon. I'm going to go watch this tonight with my own camera. And if you want to do this, sit it on a tripod, put it on time lapse and go watch this thing. And notice it's happening. Want to catch it. Trying to get a nice clean shot of our atmosphere. You should be able to watch this almost from anywhere. This is in Oakland, California. Unbelievable. That is some crazy. Look at that moon. How could you deny it? And look at this. Go into this website and look for yourself. And what a good way to hide these planets. Again, here it is. Could almost make it out. If the whole sky gets painted with the same milky white color, it's very difficult to camouflage these planets as it comes in like this. Call it a smudge. You know, you trolls, could spot you my way. You won't have no comment about this moon, but you'll say, oh, this is a smudge or a lens flare. But how do you explain away this moon? Okay. Thank you for watching. See you at the Lord's Supper. Have a blessed day.